there is a new emerging pattern which is called natural language form, and I really like it. It is related to our using natural language rather than codes. So this is natural language forms, and they convert better. The research shows that they are converting better, like 25%, somewhere 12%, somewhere 50% better than the traditional forms. So what they have done is they are using a conversation type language in a form. I feel like eating Indian, French, Japanese, so whatever in a traditional restaurant or whatever. So I can choose, maybe I need a standard restaurant or romantic restaurant at 9 p.m. in Los Angeles. So I can type over here Los Angeles, and you can see it is going to fill my form. So this is a very nice example of using natural language in forms input. Another example which is live right now, and it is being used on Oscar Consulting, which is an insurance company. And you can see over here how they are going to guide you towards their code. So I'm going to enter zip code of one of my friends. So this is zip code of New York. I would like to cover for me, my spouse and my kids. I am 55 years old and my spouse is 38 and my 3 kids are 20, 18 and 14. My family makes yearly with 5 people in my household. So you see, while filling this form, they showed me very few values step by step to decrease my cognitive load. So cognitive load means the mental calculation and the process my mind is going to do while filling or doing any calculation or filling this form. So this is very good example. So I'm going to press next, and you can see over here they have a few more things, like I expect to see a specialist. I am managing a chronic illness, and this is all get code. So you can see now they are putting together my personalized quote. And this is a really good example of this natural language and how they are using and simplifying this process by introducing one step at a time.